I've never fished the River Seine before. Have you, Alan?
Yeah, I've had a little go, but I haven't been very successful.
No. Marc sent me a very detailed map of exactly how to find him, so we shouldn't have any problem when we get there.
Who is this Marc geezer?
I've been writing to him on and off now for 2 or 3 years. He's been sending me some pictures of big carp.
What sort of weights has he had then?
I think his personal best is an upper 50, but he's had a lot of 30s and 40s.
Oh God, let's hope we can get a cut ourselves then.
Hello. Bonjour.
Bonjour. How are you?
Very well, pleased to meet you. These are my friends Paul and Alan.
Hello, Marc.
How do you do, Marc?
Okay.
Hello.
Ah, we caught you baiting up. I've never fished the River Seine before. It looks very nice. How far are you fishing? How far?
About 30 meters from the bank.
About 30 metres. And have you been fishing long? What time did you start?
I'm fishing since 7 o'clock.
About an hour or so, so I assume you haven't caught anything yet. Very nice. You've been putting the bait in here, pre-baiting?
I have bait from this place for 50 meters.
Up that way, yeah.
Yeah, since 2 weeks with boilers and maize.
Boilies and maize.
Yeah.
Sounds okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Right, I think what we'll do, we'll just have a walk along here and look for somewhere to fish, and then we'll come back and have a chat to you. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks very much. See you in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers, Marc.
Équilibrage de 2 bouillettes au bord de l'eau avant de l'équipe.
Marc, perhaps you can tell us a little bit about the place. We've cast out, and now we need to know. Perhaps you can tell us, have you fished here much?
Yes, I fished since a few years this place. There are a great population of carp, especially common, on average weight of about 15 pounds, and some big mirror. The biggest caught in this place is a 51 pounds.
51.
But I think they are biggest. Yeah. The depth is about 6 meters.
6 metres, yeah.
All the way across?
Of course, not very different.
Yeah.
It's relatively clean, but there are freshwater mussels.
The mussels are a problem?
Yeah, problem for the line.
Yeah, with the cut
the line.
It's funny, when you look at a river like this, it looks dirty and not very rich, but it's a very rich river, I believe. It's lots of natural food. It doesn't look it when you glance at the water, does it? You know, you think it would be a horrible looking place, don't you? But it's not.
A lot of crayfish.
Crayfish.
Freshwater crayfish and mussel.
It's why the fish get so big, you think? The mussels and the crayfish, there's plenty of food for them.
Yes, it's a good food for them, and the carp in the River Seine are, I think, predatory fish.
Predatory fish.
Their principal feeding is crayfish, freshwater mussel, and fry.
Ah, I see.
Well, there must be something very special about the river, because some of the world's biggest carp come from here, don't they? Over 80 pounds, so it's obviously a very special place. Yeah. So, do you do most of your fishing here, or do you fish other places on the Seine?
As the fishing are not so good here, I think to fish another place where there are not a lot of carp, but very, very big carp. It's a place where I've caught my biggest carp, 56 pounds common carp.
56, yeah.
And it's the same fish that's 63 pounds. That is the biggest common carp caught in the French. Oh, no. Excuse me.
It's okay, we understand.
It's the biggest common carp caught in the French carp fishing history. 63 pounds.
When you fish this place, Marc, you fish, it's 6 metres all the way across. You fish the far side by the boats, or you fish in close?
How many metres?
How many meters?
Yeah.
Close is...
Close is nearby.
Close.
this side.
No, normally you fish close, not a long way?
No, not a long way, because in surface the flowing is seems quiet, but in the ground fast.
Oh, I
flowing.
see. So it flows less at the top than it flows faster near the
when
bottom.
the man were working in the log, open the doors, in the bottom.
Ah, when the
very
lock's
fast.
open, yeah. Yeah.
The good distance for fishing, I think, is between 25 to 40 meters.
Yeah.
And with the flow of the river, is a problem for putting bait? You put the bait above
Yes,
where you
yes.
fish?
I
for it
think
to drift down?
I've bait the place 8 meters upstream.
Ah.
Upstream. And
Upstream.
So
8
it
meters.
moves a little bit on the bottom
Yeah.
sometimes.
And for maize, 10 or 15 meters.
Ah,
And
it's interesting.
You use you bait with maize and fish with boilies on the hook, or you bait with maize and boilies, both?
I bait with maize and boilies, but I fish only with boilies because there are a lot of bream.
Roach and
big
bream.
roach and,
Yeah. Yeah.
but they don't like they like two maize.
What about, I mean, out in front of us here, for instance, there's a large boat. Do the carp get under the boat?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
During the day, the carp are on the other side and near the dam.
Yeah.
Where the flowing is.
It's like a weir, isn't it, up here? The water rushes over the top to our right, yes. So the only problem fishing out here would be a long cast, and the flow of the river is a problem.
Well,
yeah.
problem,
Perhaps if we get nothing close, we try casting a bit further. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think if we have much line out, it will be a problem with the mussels, maybe?
Oh, yeah, sure, because in the bottom, the line is taken by the freshwater mussel.
Yeah.
And in a run,
Cut. Marc, you use special rigs. You say is a problem with the bream for using maize. You use anything special?
for the bream, so I use only boilies, very hard boilies, for bream and also catfish and a crayfish. Maize is good
Yep.
bait for carp,
Yeah.
but there are a lot of other fish who like them also,
Yeah.
and I prefer to use boilies, big boilies,
Yeah.
for to beat the other fish.
That's good. And for the hook link material, anything special for the mussels?
For beat the mussels and the other obstacles at the end of the bottom in the river,
Yeah.
I use material with Kevlar
Kevlar, yeah.
to resist
Resistance, yeah.
height resistance.
And is it good to use a big lead to hold the bottom, a heavy lead, a special lead, or
Heavy lead.
heavy lead?
For when I have run the carp, comment dit-il?
Lift off the bottom,
Lift off the bottom.
clear
Yeah.
of the mussel. So
Tear
yeah,
it.
it's good.
Yeah, yeah.
And when I fight hard the fish, because it's no good if you take too much long of line with the fresh water in the bottom.
Take the problem. You bring him to the surface as quickly as possible.
Yeah. Interesting.
If we get one, we must
I'll
try.
have to change my tactics then, because I play fish quite lightly.
Maybe the place where you catch the big common, Marc. Maybe you could take me for a day.
Hey, what about
No.
Hey.
And me?
Hey.
No
we
problem,
leave him
yeah.
here. Me and you go.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Is far away from here?
No, about 12 kilometers for the road.
I would like to see the place. Sounds good, many big fish.
Yes, but it's a very difficult place because there are not a lot of fish.
No?
But if you catch one, it's certainly a big fish. And the problem with the freshwater mussel is bigger than here.
It's worse?
Because there are a lot of freshwater mussel, and in the water there are cars, yes, motorbicycle, wash machine, all covered by mussel.
How do the cars get in the river?
Bad
driving, the French? I know they are bad drivers, but...
No, because there are a small road along the Seine, and when the bondi, after the cast, put the cars in the water.
And it's
a very good place for car fishing.
But many cars?
Oh yeah, a lot of cars.
And the mussels, the mussels are on the cars, are they?
On the cars, like this, all the cars.
They take the cars from the river, or they leave them in?
They live in the cars.
Yeah?
Yeah. Crayfish also in the cars.
So there are many cars there. So the cars are close to the bank, yeah?
No.
No?
But the flowing is possibility to 20 meters.
Really?
20 meters, yes. And when you fight a fish, cut the line.
So we must ask the bandits to close the windows of the cars, so that when we play carp, it doesn't swim through the windows.
One time the car across the car, and the line is here, the fish, and when I break the line, 100 meters of my line,
so that's where it's gone in the front window and come out the boot. Yeah.
I don't think it's a big one. Coming in slow. No, it's not a big one. Oh, a little kick there. A bit close to the top, I think. Yeah, it's coming in nice and slow. Definitely not a big one. First run. First same fish. Is he going to do it all in the margins? Coming straight in. See if we can get his head up. There he is. Little one. Come on, beauty. Gotcha. Lovely. Oh, I love a little mirror. Right. Marc! Marc! Lovely. Get this out of the way. Oh. Lovely little mirror.
Yeah.
Nice one. Good hook hold. Well in there. There he is. Single only nectar. Line out the way. Right. Not the prettiest fish in the world, but nice one.
Well, yeah.
Nice one. We get the scales and weigh him, shall we, Marc? Get the scales?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. 16 and a half. Put him back. Let's get you back in. Get your breath back. Go on it. There you go. Go on it. We're running in circles, eh? Go on. That's it. Go on, that beauty. Go on. Here. Tell your mum I didn't hurt you. Got to drop back out! It's off, mate!
I've just sat down!
Come on, it's screaming!
I'm in.
Got it?
Yeah. Mega.
Oh, it's going, Tom, isn't it?
Ah!
Snap.
Cut again. Is it? No, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, joking.
Mussels?
Well, I don't know. Got to be, I expect. Nothing at all.
Cut clean, mate. Clean off. Got to be on the mussels, isn't it?
Huh.
Oh well.
Oh well. I've started, I shall finish. This is the place where you catch your big common, Marc?
Yes, it's here.
Yes.
It's a good place, but the problem was noise.
Very noisy.
Train, electric house,
yeah?
boat. But it's not bad for fish.
That's good. It's a power station or something? Electricity?
Yes, electricity. And 20 meters from the bank and 6 meters deep. Right.
In. Carp?
No. Bram.
He's in. Marc, you give me a chance, I've left my rods out there.
Big Bram.
Big one?
Big Bram. Not big. Problem.
He weren't waiting for it, was he?
Bad. Yeah. Is it like my screw? Fish. Bye-bye.
Fishing with Marc today at the place where he caught his big common, and he come down last night and put a bit of bait in for us, and what we're doing is fishing how him and his friend normally fish. Just bait in one area about 20 metres from the bank. He's put in about 10 kilo of maize and about 5 kilo of boilies, and we've just come down this morning and we're just going to fish all 6 rods tight in one area and see what happens. So here we go. He says it's about 20 metres out, it's about 6 metres deep, I think, so. Cool. Okay.
Okay.
Try 3 little boilies on this one, see if it makes any odds. Okay, Marc, we could put a bit of bait out this morning. How much do you think we should put out?
About half on a parcel.
Okay. We could put half a bag of bait out this morning just to top the swim up. We put quite a lot of bait in last night, so we're just going to top it up and see what happens. Well, Mark, we've had 10 hours today on the place where you caught the big common. We had one chance this morning where you got cut off on a snag. Do you think it's best if we go back to the other place, or do you think it's worth staying for a little longer?
I think it's best. It's better to go to the other place. No carp jumping today. It seems no good.
Okay,
it's better to go to the other place.
Okay.
Go back.
Fair enough.
Okay.
Yeah, it's moving very slow.
Yeah. You gaining on him?
Yeah, yeah, it's coming in all right.
Yeah.
Now. Feels a good fish.
Good.
Oh yeah, it's a good fish.
Cool, yeah.
Hang on a minute, I'll have to take him out a touch.
Good old lump of mirror, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good fish that. Definitely a 30. Right, might get in this time, Paul.
Right.
You okay?
Yep. Bring him straight in. That's it.
Let's pull him back a bit.
Keep his head up.
Yeah.
Right, got it. Oh, well done, mate.
What is it, mirror?
Yep, mirror.
Good. Do you want an end?
God, now I'm all right here. It's a big one.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That was well netted, mate. Well done. Bit keen to get that fish. Didn't want to lose it.
Oh, here we go.
Straight onto the mat. Yeah. Lovely. Well done.
Right. Get the hook out.
Oh, that's got to be a 30,
Okay,
isn't
right.
it?
Lovely.
Double boilie.
Wait a minute.
Double honey.
I'll take the
What do
net
you
out.
reckon, 30?
Yeah, you got to be on it. Oh, definitely.
If you want to get the scales.
Right, you take the net out.
Yeah. Right, let's get rid of this landing net.
Right, you got him?
Yeah.
Which is fin. That's it, got him.
Just turn him around the right way. Okay?
Yep.
Oh, lovely.
One in the bag, mate.
Oh,
well
nice,
done.
Yeah.
Spot on.
You got the scales, yeah? If you zero them, then we can take off. It's about 3.5 pounds, but if you zero that, then.
Right.
All right. Magic.
Right, yeah.
Okay. You read it, mate.
Yeah. Move your fingers out. 30, 35, 36 pound with a sack. 36 pound dead with a sack.
Yeah, 36.
Yeah, 36. Do you want to have a look?
No, I believe you.
Yeah. Spot on. Well done,
Right.
mate. Well done.
Brilliant. Right, do you want to get the camera?
Yep. Get some shots. You just focus this, yeah?
Yeah. My first Seine biggie. Whoop. Still full of life. Got a very big mouth. Like some carp fishermen. It might need a flash this time of night, I don't know. But it certainly fought well. Certainly a nice fish, isn't it?
Yep.
Let's hope Alan's having similar sort of luck at the other place.
Yeah.
Right, just turn it round for a picture the other side, right? And then we'll put it back. Just turn it round.
Let's come round here a bit.
There you go. Flash didn't go.
Go on. Go on, little beauty. Lovely. Lovely.
Look at them two. Hey, why don't you take it easy? Hey?
Right.
Oh, it's a dinner on, is it?
Not yet, no.
Hey?
We're having a rest.
Oh, you had a hard day, I expect, have you?
We have. We've been playing a fish, big un.
No.
Yeah.
Not as big as ours. 53! Sit!
53?
I said, did you say 53? No. Problem? No. No good.
no.
We lost one. How did you get on?
Oh, we had one, what was it, 36 with the bag, so it's 31 and a half. Mirror.
Oh, brilliant. Well done, boy.
Yeah, well
Oh,
pleased.
great. Fish, dinner's ready, eyes on. Hey, slippers, where's my slippers?
So what's the place like you've been, all right?
Well, it's big fish, but it's a bit noisy. Not as nice as here.
No?
That looks great here, look at it.
Oh, where's your gear then? In the
Brilliant
car?
night. Yeah, all
Where's your
lights out.
gear?
Yeah, we left it in there. We just sat in the traffic. We just sort of, we thought we'd come and have our dinner first, like before we got set up, since it's dark.
I'll cook you a dinner in a minute.
What about a kettle?
Actually,
I bet the kettle's on,
they
is it?
should cook a dinner for us, actually, shouldn't they?
So it should be warm.
Great, isn't it?
Yeah, you should cook dinner.
So it's good fish then?
Yeah, it's looking good for tomorrow. There's quite a few fish bubbling today.
What time did you have it?
5 o'clock, yeah. Just the light was going down a bit, you know.
This is the sun at the tree.
No, we had no good, so we thought we'd try and get back before it got dark, but it was traffic
Yeah.
problem.
Cheers, big ears.
Yeah, good health. Yeah, cheers. Oh, we ain't got one.
Kettle's on.
Yeah,
The kettle is on.
yeah, kettle's on.
We'll do you in a minute.
Nothing changes.
You go get your gear and we'll
Yeah.
see.
Okay then. Right,
Okay.
right. We could get the gear. You're not gonna give us a hand.
Yeah. 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 Bit worried about when it gets to that boat. Oh, it's grating, look. I've already lost 2 fish out there. Don't particularly want to lose another one.
Yeah. Possible it's big.
Mark, I should hit that for you. This is not my fish across your line. Hit it.
Yeah.
Cool, looks like they're coming on free. I'm gaining a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Strong
Gaining a
fish.
bit. I just want to get it away from that mussel bed.
Good.
Oh, it's grating. That 45-pound Quicksilver leader should save me. Look at that, it's definitely on mussels. Should be getting clear that means.
Strong. Very strong.
It's one thing I hate is mussels. At any minute the line can fall slack, can't it?
Yep. No Quicksilver should
It's coming clear now, feels better now.
Hop. Vache.
It's coming quite close now.
J'espère qu'elle va pas aller sous le bateau parce que c'est fort. C'est bon là.
So it's a good one.
J'essaie de la brider un peu.
Good net that, isn't it?
Yeah.
North,
The rivers, isn't it?
northwestern net.
Elle part ici, là. Viens par là. Allez, allez, hop.
Yeah,
Ici.
it's surprising how deep it is in the margins here, isn't it? What's it, 18 foot or something you've got on the Echo Sound?
Allez, par là. Viens par là. C'est bon. Wow.
Cool.
I'm getting a bit loose 2 foot here.
Yeah, my arm's aching. We did see the shock leader for a little while. There she comes.
There he is. Here he comes.
Might see the fish now.
There's your rubber, sod tubing. There he is.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. Right, see if we can get it in the net, mate. Yes!
Yes! Good. Yeah, yeah.
Right. You bringing it up onto the mat?
Okay. Give up.
Okay.
Oh, yes, big one.
Watch the dorsal.
Yes.
Lovely. That's a 30 again, isn't it? Yeah. There you go. Oh, look at that. I thought Mark said they're all commons here. Lovely, yeah.
Good
It's supposed to be 50 commons to every mirror. That's a nice fish, isn't it?
Lift it and I'll take the net out.
Yeah, it's just the dorsal's caught a little bit, yeah. I'll lift him up.
You got him?
Hang on a sec. That's a nice fish, isn't it? Isn't that a lovely fish?
Beautiful.
I don't mind the old mirrors, people prefer commons, don't they? But that sure is a nice fish, isn't it?
Had a mouth on it, hasn't
Yeah.
it? Brought it across his back as well, like.
Yeah,
Big old fish.
that is nice. A few scales.
It's nice when
It's,
they've got a couple and it's scattered.
Yeah, they knock themselves about a bit, I think, you know, on those mussels out there.
Yeah.
Because this one's, its tail's bleeding a little bit, and I'm sure it's nothing we've done. Nice, eh?
Shall we get him weighed up then?
Yeah.
See what he is.
Gently does it.
His old dorsal then.
Yeah. That's nice, the old fox unhooking mackerel way bag, isn't it?
See how these in.
Okay. Looks like they've got theirs in as well.
Yeah. Do you want to read it? I'll hold it up.
Yeah. You alright?
Yeah.
It's 36.5 including the bag, so it's about £32. How big's your one then?
It's a 30. How big was yours?
Exactly 32.
Well, I reckon this one might just beat it.
I hope so.
£31. 14 kilos.
14 kilos.
Lucky. Beats £5.
No chance.
Cracker. Well done, Mark. Nice one.
Lovely fish.
There, go on. Just put her in the bag and we'll get her back then, Mark, yeah?
Yeah. Yo.
Difficult over the side. Put her in back.
some water in. He's a bit tired. You alright there, Paul?
Yeah, arm's aching a bit.
Oh, he's alright. Just hold him a sec. Okay? There it goes.
Lovely. Well done, mate.
Good place, isn't it?
Brilliant. Take some more, eh?
Yeah.
Well, Marc, we've done really well here. We've had some good fish. Thanks very much for bringing us here. Could you tell us how you go about choosing your spots on the Seine to fish?
I fish several places between Paris to River Seine. I think it is the best place to catch a biggest carp. Above Paris, the carp are smaller.
Yeah.
But there are also carp, of course.
Yeah. And how, between the barrages, how do you pick which actual spot you fish?
The good place for big fish is a barrage, but also bridge, and where there are trees on the river. In fact, where there are a lot of obstacles in the bottom of the river with crayfish and freshwater mussel, they are a good place for carp. Big carp.
This place is out the flow of the boats. Do you always pick somewhere out of the flow of the boats, or?
Yes, it's good when the boat pass across the other side.
The other side.
Because in fact the flowing, the side where we are fishing is more
Slack.
Slack, and it's good for crayfish and freshwater mussel.
Yeah. And when you go to the place, do you like for us, you baited? Do you always pre-bait?
Yes, I've pre-bait for 2 days, about 10 kilos of maize and 6 kilos of boilies. Or also I use other particulars like lupin or tiger nuts.
Do you use maize on the hook, Marc?
No, only boilies, because there are a lot of small fish in the river like bream, tench, chub, and I prefer to use only hard boilies sure to catch carp.
Right.
Well, Marc, we've had 3 mirrors over £30 from this place so far. Is that normal?
No, it's very strange. Normally in this place we caught about 49 common for 1 mirror. I don't know why. The reason for the 3 mirrors.
And the commons you catch from here are big?
A lot over 30 pounds until 30 pounds until 40 pounds range.
Yeah, it's good.
But I think they are bigger.
Yeah, as big as your big common you catch from where we went the other day. Your common is £57, yes?
57, but it's the same as the 63 pounds, which was the biggest common, I think, biggest common in France. But the biggest catch in mirrors, 66 pounds. And I heard that anglers were fishing illegally during the night. I've caught 70 pounds and maybe over.
So it's very big fish in the Seine.
And the biggest carp caught in France, 81.5 pounds, have been caught just before the junction, before the River Yonne and the River Seine. It's a similar river, in fact.
Oh.
So anywhere you fish here, there could be carp to £80.
Yeah, it's possible.
That's a nice thought.
It's possible. I think the biggest carp in France is maybe in the River Seine. Because I saw very big fish during the spinning, very, very big, but I don't catch it.
The river's not quite how I expected it to be. I expected a lot more flow to be in the river than there is now, and the river to be a lot wider than it is. Is it like this all over the Seine?
No, the young carpenters, we must choose a place where the boats are passing in the other banks.
Yeah.
And they must choose a place with a big depth for the line are under the water, and when the boat pass, they want the line not to move.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. What about when you have a lot of rain? Say it rains for 3 or 4 days and nights. Does the river get in flood? Does it come up, lots of weed, coloured, and not fishable?
In fact, no. In fact, the level of the water is regulated by the dam. and there are not a great difference of depth.
No.
But weed are there when there are a lot of boat, sport boat, very fast. The weed can
the weed breaks away and comes downriver.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's a problem. The weed with.
yeah. Well, we certainly haven't got that problem at the moment. I don't know about you, but I'm going to put the kettle on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, put the kettle on. Do you know how to do it?
Maddocks swim. Crap everywhere.
Hello. More food. More food, please. Whew, isn't it hot?
It's quiet, isn't it, mate?
Sure is. I'm getting a bit fed up with this non-activity.
What do you
think-
reckon?
Well, I'd like to put bait out right underneath that barge over there.
Yeah.
Nothing else is happening, is it?
No, in the shade, isn't it?
You going to give us a hand?
Yeah, can do. Yeah.
Alan, can you give us a hand a minute, please, mate?
What do you want now?
All right, mate.
Kev? He's taking it to the boat. Drop it off. He thinks he catch something. I think all he catches is the boilies. What you say, when he comes back, you get the Cobra and the big stick and we bombard him. You understand?
Fight?
Yeah, fight. Yeah,
Okay.
you get the Cobra?
Okay.
When he comes back, let him get nearer and then we give him stick. All right, Kev?
If you go just up to the bow of the boat, is it the bow that pointed in?
Bow, yeah.
I don't know. And then we just, as you say, just down and drop some baits around it when we get about halfway down the boat. Want to be really tight to the boat.
Right.
Might be a big carp.
Put them on the floor so they don't see. It's good. Okay, Mark, ready? I'll get my stick for when they come back. Get some boilies. Okay? You must come back this way. All right. All right, Kev.
say?
Don't seem too much drift. Think that'd be all right?
Go up a bit.
Oh well.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Come in here, I'll give you a hand out. He's in range, you think? You hit him with the big one?
Oi!
Hey, come on.
Have a word.
Stop mucking
Hey,
about.
what's Mark got hold of? Look out.
You bastards.
Look out!
Now, come on, boy. Oh, slow it down.
Hey?
Right. In a bit. Come. Go in, let's get a bit closer.
Right.
Get that bastard.
Let's get close. Ow! Yeah! Oh, what the back of the head? Ow!
Give us a hand quick, come on. Get him, get him.
I'm on 20 quid worth. Mark, it's too big for me. Yeah, go on.
Go a bit closer.
A bit closer.
Right, go in a bit.
Oh, gosh!
Get a bastard!
Sod this, I'm getting out of here.
Come up here, Kev, I'll give you a hand. Sorry, slip. You alright, mate? Cold, isn't it?
Alright, don't let me go again.
No.
Get us out of here! Oh, my hand's slipping.
Manage.
No.
It's so tempting, isn't it?
Push him back in! Push him back in!